Manufacturing companies are facing a wide range of challenges: international, competitive and cost pressure, increasing regulatory and customer requirements, increasing labor shortage, and the loss of expert knowledge. However, the current state on the shop floor makes it difficult to consistently address these challenges while simultaneously increasing productivity, quality, and operational excellence. The problems? Too much paper, too much effort, no standards. But to enable employees to work more efficiently and add more value, companies lack the structures and tools to truly empower them. This is exactly where we come in. Welcome to Operations1. Operations1 is the leading AI-powered connected worker and shop floor platform for your frontline employees, digitally supporting all operational processes and helping you achieve greater productivity and real competitive advantages. The core of the Operations1 software consists of digital work instructions and checklists. Your employees receive clear, multilingual, step-by-step instructions that make daily work easier. Operations1 integrates seamlessly into your existing system landscape and can be connected end-to-end with your leading systems such as ERP and MES. This allows you to provide your employees with order information in the form of precise work instructions, SOPs, checklists, variants, and order-specific details. Through automated real-time data processing, you can completely eliminate manual efforts such as paper filing and gain full transparency across all processes on the shop floor. With Operations1, operational processes are documented seamlessly and in real time by your employees. Automatically generated reports also increase your auditability with customers and external auditors. Problems on the shop floor can be reported immediately by your employees and solved collaboratively and quickly. This accelerates your continuous improvement process and avoids costs caused by scrap and rework. Digitize your inspection reports, your work instructions and checklists, your assembly instructions, as well as your setup and maintenance instructions. Operations1 can be used for many employee-driven use cases on the shop floor. And best of all, you can get started with Operations1 in no time. Eliminate non-value-adding tasks and efforts from your processes and reduce your costs, while at the same time increasing productivity, quality, machine availability, and safety in your production. Like many other market leaders, place your trust in Operations1 and let us discuss your individual use case in a non-binding conversation. We will be happy to advise you and are convinced that empowering your teams through digital tools is the key to your long-term business success. Operations1, enabling people, empowering operations.